Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue when your phone is connected to mobile network but you cannot access internet, you cannot surf internet. To fix this issue, slide down from the top of your screen and first make sure you have mobile data, this icon enabled. If it's blue, it means it's enabled. And now slide down again to reveal more shortcuts and press on airplane mode. Now wait about 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds you will be able to turn off airplane mode. And then it will reopen mobile data, enable mobile data. Let's see if I can use my internet. Let's search for HardReset.Info and you can see that I can absolutely use it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.